Hello friends, we are glad to welcome you to our channel. Today we present you 40 stunning layered medium-length hairstyles. Please subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with fashionable hairstyles and haircut ideas. Do you feel like you could do with a change? Would you like to transform your hairstyle into one that turns heads and is easy to style? You've come to the right place. Medium-length layered haircuts are incredibly popular among women of all ages, face shapes, and hair types. Their versatile nature means there's a cut to suit every woman, and the added benefit of layers means your hair will enjoy more shape, texture, and even volume. And now check out these super gorgeous medium-length layered haircuts we've handpicked for you. They'll provide the inspiration you seek for spicing up your shoulder-length hair. Textured bob for straight hair. One of the main advantages of bob hairstyles is their versatility. They look great on wavy hair, and even hotter on straight strands. Medium layered bob. A bob haircut is always at the top of our list. Add layers, and enjoy the low-maintenance movement. With the revival of 70 seconds and 90 seconds, medium hair with bangs is again in great demand. Long gone the days when rocking a fringe felt dorky or weird. It's all about individuality right now, and a fringe is a new cool accessory. Bring out your inner rock star by choosing medium-length hair with bangs. In this article, we've put together all the best midi hairstyles featuring fringes to suit any face. 1. Shoulder-length hair with bangs and layers. Add more body to your hair rocking tousled shoulder-length hairstyles with bangs and shaggy layers throughout. Keep it uneven for a fresh and classy feel. Out of all the hairstyles you could consider, medium hairstyles for women are probably the best because of their versatility. Not only do they work for every single face shape from round and oval to heart-shaped and square, but they suit all hair types as well, including thin and thick hair. These are the 50 most gorgeous medium-length hairstyles for women you'll want to try. 1. Medium cut for round faces. Women with round faces will appreciate the way a medium haircut with bangs and angled layers elongates and slims down the face. Out of all the hairstyles you could consider, medium hairstyles for women are probably the best because of their versatility. Not only do they work for every single face shape from round and oval to heart-shaped and square, but they suit all hair types as well, including thin and thick hair. These are the 40 most gorgeous medium-length hairstyles for women you'll want to try. Piece Y hairstyle with curtain bangs. Rock one of the simplest and classiest medium-length hairstyles out there. The piece Y cut fits any gathering and aesthetic, whether formal or casual. You can add some highlights and lowlights and play with the shades you are comfortable with. Straight blonde lob. Want to exude elegance and grace? Then this straight lob is perfect for you. The sleek lob is one of the greatest medium-length haircuts that'll make you look effortlessly chic, anytime, anywhere. Besides, it gives you space to experiment with hairdos and styling options. Shoulder-length center-parted hair. Start the new year off with a new look. The freshly snipped shoulder-length hairstyle with the center part is understatedly pretty. Medium-length brunette hair. After slicing your dark hair down to medium length, paint on a balayage in a fitting color to spice up the beauty of your hair. Golden brown highlights or deeper blonde highlights are nice options for brunettes with a medium haircut. Wavy toffee brown lob. Long bobs are probably the most popular medium haircuts for women with different hair types, but if you want to sport a wavy version, don't hesitate to give it more movement and glow up by incorporating shiny caramel highlights. Choppy layers and curtain bangs. We definitely recommend considering mid-length haircuts with bangs. You'll be surprised how these hairstyles for medium-length hair can change your mood completely. Choppy layers with curtain bangs will make you feel like you are 16 again, and the whole world is your oyster. Edgy lob. Cutting a few inches off your hair is by no means the same that cutting down on the chic and beauty of your hairstyle. A medium haircut can be as laid back or as edgy as you want it. There are really no rules. Neck-length lob with swoopy bangs. A lob hairstyle is one hairstyle for medium hair that most women readily say yes to. The extra length contributes movement and style to the classic elegance of bob haircuts. Details such as swoopy layers and front highlights make your lob even more graceful. Choppy layers with highlights. The shoulder-length haircut with defined layers has a beautiful texture and looks voluminous even without styling. Besides, highlights add a romantic touch to the look. Friends, we thank you for watching the video to the end. Subscribe to our channel, like and press the bell so you don't miss new videos for you.